Imagine the moment when you encounter those who once doubted you, and they see a version of you that's stronger, more confident, and more successful than ever before. Then they realize that you're no longer the same person you were yesterday, and you're just better.
The only person that deserves a special place in your heart is the one who never makes you feel like you are an option.
Move in silence. Only speak when it's time to say, checkmate.
Work in silence. Sometimes you've got to disappear, then come back and shock the world. Shock everybody that doubted you. You need to take a step back and ask yourself, why am I here? What is my purpose? You should be aiming for the top. If you fail, get up and do it again.
Nobody is coming to save you. Get up. Be your own hero.
You become a very dangerous person when you are someone nobody can control. Become financially independent. Master emotional detachment. Become comfortable with being alone, because those are the three things that people and society will use to try and control you. The biggest lesson I learned this year is to not force anything. Conversations, relationships, friendships, attention, love. If it's forced, it's not worth fighting for. If it flows, it flows. If it crashes, it crashes. It is what it is. And remember, if it hurts, let it go. It's not meant to be. Be strong enough to forgive, but not stupid enough to trust again. When you replace, "Why is this happening to me?" with, "What is this trying to teach me?" you become unstoppable. Keep pushing. Stop being stupid. They knew exactly what they were doing, and they knew exactly how much it would hurt you. Don't give them another chance. You're just hurting yourself.